slice through this knitted apple. Listen to the fibers, soft like snow. Little wooden seeds stitched right in, perfectly cozy. Going to slice into this knitted banana. Listen to the fibers, little snips, so clean, perfect spiral.
Oh, look at that. The knit droplets and that soft purple center. So satisfying. In. Listen to the threads give way, silky, fibrous, all the way through. Look at that spiral, little beads like seed, knit black currant. Listen, the stitches open like a tiny zipper, sliding right through the soft knit. There, two perfect halves. Look at that swirl, the pale center, so plush. A little tap and a...
Listen to that soft tear as the stitches part, sliding through the flesh of yarn, almost there, and there it goes, perfectly knit. So soft inside, even the seed is stitched. It just glides through the stitches. Look at that. Soft golden pods all tucked inside. Snip the strand and we can lift one out. Squishy and warm. Listen to the yarn peel apart. The inside's all stitched segments, so soft. I'll take a wedge, pull it apart a little. Perfect knit citrus.